2 major acute hospitals over the Kirklees and Calderdale area. It's a massive organisation that never stops.
What we were looking for is both a device and a company that works with us and works for us. And I think Dakota were really helpful in the early stages of bringing these devices in.
You know what you're getting when it comes to a Zebra device. It's going to be good, it's going to be supportable, it's going to last the distance, which is what you need in the healthcare industry.
During COVID, things changed, and we realised that not only did we need a device to do that multifunction, but we also needed a device that we could be assured could be clean and could be used in a COVID environment.
These devices specifically, the reason I went for them is because they're made of medical grade plastics. You can use the right Tristal cleaning wipes that we use with here at CHFD to clean them down.
Having a device that does many functions is really important. The TC51 does that. It covers a multitude. It has to be tough. The TC51 does that. And it also has to interface with the software that we use, and the product does that. And it's really changed the way that we work. What we're now finding is the more uses that we can put on it, the better it is.
We're currently looking at putting more applications on so nurses can document in real time at the bedside on a portable handheld device.
The optical reader it has really fits in well with the e-consent project that we're using.
We use them with teams now in different parts of that, so it's the more and more we start to put into the devices, the better use we get out of them, which means the return on investment that we have is better. The virtual visit inside was one of the first projects that we did that didn't really originally leverage on the reason we bought them for. It was a really fortuitous moment to have a device that A, can be cleaned down, that B, that we had plenty of them spare at the time.
Oh, brilliant, thank you very much.
You're welcome, I'll be back shortly.
Oh, that's great, thank you.
As a team, we're really proud of what we've implemented and the feedback that we've got. It's been really nice to be able to connect families. We understand that it's a really frustrating and worrying time and how much of a difference that we're making.
People have been able to have conversations that they wouldn't have been able to have, and for some people, unfortunately, it's conversations that they'll never get to have again. So it's been really important.
We're able to allow relatives to see them at a time when, that patient may be passing, and they had that ability to communicate, for those last moments in that patient's life. We never seek to go out and win awards, but what we find is awards can be really great for staff. A lot of hard work goes into everything we do in a hospital, particularly over the past year to 2 years through the COVID pandemic.
It's a really good accomplishment for the organisation, but it's a testament to the team, the amount of work that they've done and the amount of time and effort, 7 days a week, 365 days of a year. So the future really is, I hope it is with Dakota. They've been a really good supplier. They're a partner that we'd already had that relationship with. They could help us. They knew what our demands were. They knew how we liked to work.
Having that engagement with the company, I think, really does help. What we always look for is the one thing that does everything. And I think with the TC51, I think we've got that.